Hi, Goddess of Love here again. Kamusta kayo dyan, mga goddess ko? Anong ginagawa niyo right now, no? So, yeah, another short reading tayo today for the fire signs, Aries, Leo, Sag. So, yeah, kamusta kayo dyan, mga fire signs natin dyan, no? Anong meron sa inyo right now, no? So, tignan natin anong message sa inyo ng inyong person, inner self, and of course, ni universe, no? Let's see anong message sa inyo ng inyong person na naiisip nyo right now, no? Fire signs, no? So, yeah, kuha tayo ng 2 cards here, no? So, tignan natin ano kayang message ng person nyo, fire signs, no? Aries, Leo, and Sag. So, let's see what it is, no? So, meron dito, I'm so attracted to you, no? So, for some of you, no? Fire signs, no? Ito ang sinasabi ng inyong person, no? I'm so attracted to you. So, he or she is very much attracted, no? Literally sa inyo, right? No? So, gustong-gusto kayo ng tao na ito, right? No? So, kayo lang din nakakalam sino to. I know may idea na rin kayo, no? I don't know if may relationship na kayo nitong tao na to, no? But then, kasi naiisip niyo ito, no? So, ano ba tong isang card pa? But then, no, we need to let each other go, no? So, maybe for some of you, this person who is so much attracted pa rin sa inyo is meron ng separation na nangyari dito, no? Kasi with this card, we need to let each other go, no? So, parang sinasabi rito na kailangan talaga niyong magkalayo for some reason, no? Hindi talaga kayo, parang sinasabi is you're not meant to be each other, no? So, but then he or she is still attracted to you, no? Fire signs, no? So, take what's resonate, no? Vice versa tayo rito. Pwedeng ikaw din nagsasabi nito sa person mo or yung person mo ang nagsasabi nito, no? Vice versa, no? Kung kanino lang makaka-resonate. So, yeah, ito yung sinasabi ng inyong person or ikaw sa person mo, no? Fire signs, Aries, Leo, Sag, no? So, I'm so attracted to you, but then we need to let each other go, no? So accepted naman nitong person na to na hindi talaga kayo para sa isa't isa, no? So, meron talagang kailangan talaga nyong pakawala ng isa't isa, no? That's why, no? So, yeah, but then, attracted pa din siya sa iyo. So, ayun ang message ng inyong person, right? No? So, let's see anong message naman ng inyong inner self fire sign. So, kuha tayo ng 2 cards again. So, tignan natin anong message ng inyong inner self, no? Mga fire signs natin dyan. So, parehas kayo ni air signs din kanina, no? So, you have this silent, no? For some of you, sinasabi rin dito to keep silent, no? Sabi ng inner self nyo, no? You have this key and the door, no? If you see this one, no? Anytime you can open the door, no? But please be silent. Huwag mo munang pagsasabi. Maybe this is your plans in life, no? Your goals, kung whatever it is, may bubuksan ka bang business, something like that, investing, no? Kung ano man itong gusto mong gawin, no? Fire sign is sinasabi ng inyong inner self na be discreet, no? Be silent about it, no? Or whatever na makita mo rito sa door na to, once you open that door, whatever na nandyan sa loob, wag mong ipagsasabi muna, right? No? For some of you, no? So, kayo lang din nakakaalam nito kung ano man ito, no? Kung meron kayong mga bagay na sisimulan, mga bagay na naiisip, mga plans, right? Something like that. Wag niyo munang ipagsasabi. Tahimik lang kayo kasi pwedeng masabotahe yan, no? For some of you kasi hindi natin masabi. There are people around you na gusto kayong pabagsakin, maybe, or just bang mga hindi totoo sa inyo, di ba? Pwede kayong lokohin, di ba? Something like that, no? So, ayun ang sinasabi ng inyong inner self, no? So, be silent, no? Wag mo nang ipagsasabi. So, that's it. So, another one is dreams, no? For some of you, fire signs, maybe, merong mga message from your dreams, no? Kung makikita mo rito, may mga stars, no? Something like that, no? Maybe, literally, no? Sa mga dreams nyo, there are messages, no? For some of you, baka kung natatandaan niyo yung mga dreams nyo, pwede nyo yung isulat. And then, pagduktong-duktongin nyo yung mga dreams. Maybe there is a message, no? Na kailangan nyong malaman, no? Or for some of you naman, sinasabi rito is keep on dreaming, no? Nothing is impossible, right? No? Basta determine tayo to work for that dreams, right? No? So yeah, keep dreaming lang, no? And work hard for your dreams, no? Something like that. Huwag din laging tulog ng tulog, literally, no? Right? No? So yeah, I hope naka-resonate kayo with this one, no? And last is, anong message sa inyo ni universe, no? From God, no? So tignan natin, fire signs. So yeah, kuha tayo dito ng 2 cards again para sa message sa inyo or advice ni universe, no? Fire signs. So let's see what's your messages, no? So you have this, the journey. So yeah, for some of you, no, fire signs, sinasabi sa inyo ang message sa inyo ni universe is, your journey is, maybe is starting right now, no? Your journey is now starting, no? Or for some of you, whatever journey you are going, no, is, kumbaga, be ready na, no? Be ready with that journey, no? Kasi you are ready na eh, kung makikita mo rito, no? So, you are ready, whatever it is, no? Parang wala na kayo, hindi kayo natatakot, ano man itong journey na to. So, yeah, parang nire-remind kayo ni universe na your journey is starting, no? Is soon will be starting na, kumbaga. For some of you, kayo lang din nakakaalam nito, fire signs, no? Whatever it is, no? Pwedeng journey nyo to reach your goals, your dreams, no? Something like that, no? Journey nyo to be in a happy relationship, maybe, for some of you. New life journey nyo, mag-aasawa na kayo, pwede rin ganon, no? So, kumaga, you are ready na, no? To take that journey, no? So, yeah. And then, the other card is hidden in plain sight. So, yeah, for some of you, no, fire signs, no, wina-warningan kayo dito ni universe, no, there is someone around you na snake, no. What is snake? Traitor, right, no? Maybe that someone is, kung makikita mo, talagang dikit na dikit sa'yo, no? So, nandito na sa balikat mo, no? Naka-ano na siya rito, no? For some of you, no? So, sinasabi rito is, yung someone na yon is super close lang sa iyo. Fire sign, no? For some of you, or vice versa, no? Pwedeng kayo rin to, no? But then, ito nga, sinasabi rito, there is someone around you na hindi totoo sa inyo. Binabackstab kayo, maybe, for some of you, di ba? And this person is super close sa inyo dahil kung makikita mo, dikit na dikit siya sa inyo, no? So, wala kayong idea, for some of you, maybe, wala kayong idea sino tong tao na to, no? Na meron palang tinatago, meron palang, kumbaga, meron siyang planong hindi maganda, pwede rin ganon, or, kumbaga, nag-i-spy lang sa inyo, inaalam lang mga ginagawa nyo, no? Diba? Binabackstab kayo. Something with the snake, diba? Ano ba ang snake is? Traitor, right? No? So, this one is parang warning for you, no? Fire signs, no? So, be aware with this person, no? This person is kilala nyo na dahil napaka malapit lang siya sa inyo, no? Someone around your circle, your family, right? No? Kasi ito lang, malapit lang talaga siya sa inyo, no? So, yeah, that's it, no? Fire signs, no? So, I hope naka-resonate kayo sa ating reading for you today, no? And, yeah, Thank you for watching Fire Signs, no? Aries, Leo, Sag, and yeah, please like and subscribe sa ating channel, no? For more videos like this, no? And yeah, again, God bless you all and thank you, Fire Signs.